Happy Tuesday. Yes, I'm still wearing the same thing I was wearing yesterday because it's technically still Monday. We're going to use the Birds of Paradise palette. Okay, right in the middle of me saying this should be fun, the phone call came in. But yeah, this should be fun. I'm not going anywhere. So we are going to see what we can do. I don't have anything to wipe it off my arm, but I want to swatch and my shirt's low, so I think I'm gonna have to pause you again. I got interrupted. Not sure exactly where I was. I got the wipes now. If that's on here still, I deleted one because Eric came back in. We're going to swatch it on my arm. I already put hand sanitizer on, so this blue color is Macaw. Vacay is pink. Take Flight is like a green. So we're going to and that's what they look like. The first two, those colors look alike. Slight difference. I think this is the, let me look at Take Flight again. Yeah, this is Take Flight. This is actually third color and this is the first color. Since these are so bright and vivid, I already have eye primer on because I'm sure they're going to stain my eyes. And we got this. I gotta clean my palettes. All right, let's go with Exotic. It's like a metallic. Lovebirds is a glitter and Rio is a glitter. My hand was wet. Hold on. All right, let's go dry this hand. Exotic. Is this a cream? This is a cream. That's why I did that. Okay. Exotic is a cream color. It's not a powder. Lovebirds and Rio. We're going to do them like we would have done the Tati palette. We're just going to kind of pat it on there. That is Lovebirds. And this is Rio. So they're pretty decent. Might use it. I'm always afraid of glitter though. Then we got Canary. It's a yellow. And then Adventure is a purple. Hot Tropic is another cream. There's the yellow, the purple, and the cream. All right, then we have Pudgy, Toucan Play, and Island, which is purple. So it's orange, green, orange, purple. So Budgie, Toucan, Island. All right, those are really pretty colors. All right, then we got Tail Feather, Tweet, and another cream called Fiesta. So Tail Feather, Tweet, Fiesta. It's like a gold color. All right, and then we have Cardinal, Jungle, and Cockatoo. So Cardinal is orange, Jungle is green, and Cockatoo is white. So Cardinal, Jungle, Cockatoo. Okay, so that was everything. Now I'm trying to figure out what to put on my eyes first. It's hard. Let me see what Take Flight looks like. We're going to do something different. We're going to start with the crease. And then go into figuring out what to put. Because there's one color I want to put in the crease. I believe it was Tweet, this orange color. So we're going to take Tweet. We're going to start in the crease. Let's make sure everything's because I use the NYX Putty eye primer, and sometimes it goes in the crease and stays there. A tropical storm blowing outside and a tropical eye look going on inside. Makes sense. These colors, let me turn this. Eric messed with the colors. There, now y'all could see better. Believe it or not, I have to turn it down for y'all to be able to see better. Okay, I want to actually take Two Can Play. It's another orange. And build it up around that color. I'll show you how we're gonna do this because it turned out darker than I thought it was gonna be. And we're gonna go into that white, that cockatoo color. And build it up until we lighten that orange. And then we're also gonna take a little bit of concealer. There we go. I didn't want a whole lot of concealer. We're gonna take this brush, it's a Morphe brush. And we are going to basically get rid of that orange because it didn't do what I wanted it to do. Let's go back in with the other orange. All right, we got that. Let's take the yellow. Hopefully it does better. We're gonna take it on a new brush. Okay, that should do better. We are gonna still tap it off. We're using that like as a transition type shade. Take a clean brush and put a little bit of that yellow on there and blend it. All right, now we're gonna go back into Tweet. We're gonna build it up on the edge mostly. and halfway in, like so. All right, now we're gonna take the exotic, well, hold on. Let me see how these go together. It's kind of light. Might have to go in with Fiesta. I really don't want to, though. I don't really want to go. What's Hot Tropic look like? You know what? Bruises. All right. I don't think the orange is going to work, but we're going to try. Let me find a flat brush. Let's try this Tropic exotic color, I mean. It's not working with a brush for sure. Hold on. And it blends in with that orange color. So we're going to go in with Hot Tropic. On the inner area first. And it's not working on a brush. That's why you see me using my finger. But we are going to use the brush for a little bit. It's like a putty in here. It's moving around a lot. When I put the brush in it, I'll show you in a minute. We are taking the brush again and just cleaning that to make it look exactly how I want it to look. I'm just blending that orange color above it a little. And then I want to take some of this Rio color. And I want to tap it over. The top of that putty color. I don't know if y'all could see that. And I'm gonna take this and kind of fan it out over that color. See if a brush works with it. And if you get better payoff with the glitter or if the finger. I think you get better payoff with the brush. Let's move it around with the finger. All right, let's take the brush and put more on this side. Very little fallout. And now I want to take this e.l.f. brush, and I'm going to take Purple Adventure, and I want to build it up here on the outer edge. All right, now I want to take Island. It's like a lighter purple. And pull it under the bottom lash line. Let me take this brush, and I kind of want to clean that up a little bit right there. All right, and then we're going to take what's left of the yellow on here. And fluff it out. Hold on, baby. Let mommy put her mascara on and be done. All right. So far, I like this palette. Let me grab a mascara. Hold on. Hold on. Let's put the Benefit Roller Lash on. Hold on. And because he is throwing a fit, I won't put lipstick on right now. But I like the way this eye looks, and I'll take a picture, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.